Hello, pool owner friends. If you haven't noticed already, you will. Chlorine shortage, that is. Why do we have a chlorine shortage, John? Well, I'm glad you asked. Two reasons. One is COVID. Two, there was a large fire that destroyed the largest chlorine manufacturer in the United States in Louisiana a couple years ago. It is expected to be rebuilt and back online, but we're not talking anytime soon. So what are our alternatives? One might be converting to a bromine system. That's an alternative. The other is maybe make your pool a salt pool, installing a T-cell. But I'm told even those things are experiencing shortages. Now there are some more expensive options, but this really depends on your budget and how long you expect to be living in the home, right? Now, we want to be as efficient as possible with what we have. What can increase your chemical usage is water loss. Water loss from leaks. And leaks can occur at any time. By nature, they're going to be concealed. They're in the water, they're underneath the ground. What we don't see is what's underneath the deck. Soil erosion and compaction can stress pipes, damaging joints, and that kind of thing. So what we do is recommend a routine pool leak detection. At Inspectigator, we use an electronic means that's very fast, very efficient, and can detect water loss within 1/10,000th of an inch. It's pretty darn cool. So get on a routine basis checking your water loss. It's a really nice investment and will help you be as efficient as possible. So hey, I hope that was timely and shockingly interesting. Give Amanda the Administrator a call and she will get you hooked up. We look forward to servicing you again.